Hey Voorhees, welcome to our second episode of 2018. I'm Harrison Tabor.
And I'm Colin Grieco.
And this is Voorhees Now.
For this episode's first clip, we have Eric Schroer's STN Challenge, followed by Patrick Milam's New Year's resolutions.
And then back to Colin for another game review.
Yeah.
This year's STN convention will take place in Nashville, Tennessee from March 15th through 18th.
STN, or the Student Television Network, we have been, Voorhees has been involved with for way before we went on the first convention. So maybe 10, 12 years now. And they are programs like this one from all over the country, made up of video and film production and journalistic programs, but it's a nonprofit organization. And they do the convention every year, which is the big culminating event every year. But they also do competitions throughout the year too that people can enter into. The convention, I would say, the coolest thing about the convention is it's something that you just can't replicate here in the classroom, which is why I think it's so important that we get to experience it, because it's so cool.
There are a bunch of different competitions to compete in down in Nashville. Some of the competitions have to do with sports, weather, interviewing, broadcasting, and commentating. My group and I are going to be participating in a competition on sports commentating.
It's going to be a lot of fun. It's just a really cool experience, and just walking around the hotel where they have the convention and just watching everybody, because there are cameras and students everywhere. People are doing all kinds of stuff. It's just that the buzz that's in the air, you can kind of feel it. It's pretty. That's the coolest thing. That's what I really like.
If you have old home videos you want converted to DVD, we can do that for you. Click the link below for more information. Preserve those old memories and help us get to Nashville.
Thanks, Eric. And now to Patrick with a hot topic that's been on everybody's mind for the past 2 weeks. New Year's resolutions.
Woo!
Setting goals for yourself is always important, but none are really as prominent as a New Year's resolution. Today, I'm going to interview Reagan and two others on what their New Year's resolution is.
My 2018 New Year's resolution is to never lose another Madden game, especially to Patrick Milam, because if I was to lose a game to him, I would just be really upset. And so just to keep beating him, that's my resolution, never lose to Patrick Milam.
The New Jersey Renegades organization was kind enough to let me interview forwards Nick Monticchio and Alex Hashino also about their New Year's resolution as well.
I'm going to try not to eat so much candy. I know I got to watch that stuff. I got to watch my weight for this upcoming season. But besides that, it's just to have some fun and play hockey.
The New Year's resolution is to win the league. Get as many points as possible, rack them up.
Whether it's on the gridiron or on the ice, everybody should have goals to accomplish. From VHSTV, my name is Patrick.
So what's your New Year's resolutions?
I already gave up. It doesn't matter.
Well then. Anyway, now the game reviews. Hello, Voorhees Now viewer. I'm Colin Grieco. Welcome back to Grieco's Game Reviews. For this episode of Game Reviews, what we're going to cover is vintage game cartridges, how to open them up, how to take care of them, and clean them. Okay, before we get into it, here are the cartridges that I will be using for this video. And here are the screwdrivers I'll be using to open the cartridges for this video. A 3.8mm game bit screwdriver, your 4.5mm game bit screwdriver, a tri-wing mini screwdriver, and finally, a mini flathead screwdriver. The 3.8mm screwdriver is used for Nintendo cartridges, Super Nintendo cartridges, Nintendo 64 cartridges, and Game Boy Advance cartridges. The 4.5mm game bit screwdriver is used for cartridges like the Sega Genesis cartridges. The tri-wing screwdriver is used for cartridges like the Game Boy Advance cartridges. Now, although I said use the 3.8mm game bit screwdriver for Nintendo cartridges, there's some exceptions where you'll need to use the flathead screwdriver for those Nintendo cartridges that use a flathead screws rather than the 3.8mm screws. Alright, now that we know what to get and what to use, let's open them up, shall we? Here's before, and here's after. This is great because now we can see what's exactly inside the cartridge now. Or if a game can indefinitely save with the watch battery attached to it. Or even spying out some fake games. Oh no, the back of my working Nintendo cartridge is broken. This is saddening. Whatever shall I do? That's okay, because there's websites of these kind of things. It is a good thing the internet exists so we can find these sort of things. Am I right? Yay! Good as new. Also works for labels too. That ends this first part of the review right there, but don't go anywhere because one more thing needs to be said. If you're interested in getting this GameBit tool set for yourself, they go for $5 to $10 to $20 maximum on your local web browsing shopping site. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Grieco's Game Reviews. Any other questions, comments, or what you want me to review, put that down in the comment section below, and see you guys later!